Hello everyone, welcome to CUET General Knowledge episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, which planet in our solar system has the shortest day? Option A, Earth. Option B, Jupiter. Option C, Venus. Option D, Mars. The correct answer is option B, Jupiter. Jupiter has the shortest day in the solar system. One day on Jupiter takes only about 10 hours. Next question is, who wrote the famous book, The Republic? Option A, Aristotle. Option B, Socrates. Option C, Plato. Option D, Marcus Aurelius. The correct answer is option C, Plato. The Republic is a philosophical work by Plato that explores justice and the ideal state. Next question is, what is the national animal of Australia? Option A, koala. Option B, kangaroo. Option C, emu. Option D, dingo. The correct answer is option B, kangaroo. The kangaroo is one of the most iconic animals of Australia and is featured on the country's coat of arms. Next question is, which country is home to the historic site of Machu Picchu? Option A, Brazil. Option B, Chile. Option C, Peru. Option D, Ecuador. The correct answer is option C, Peru. Machu Picchu is an ancient Incan city located in the Peruvian Andes and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Next question is, which metal is liquid at room temperature? Option A, Mercury. Option B, gallium. Option D, sodium. The correct answer is option A, Mercury. Mercury is the only metal that is liquid at room temperature. Next question is, what is the term for a triangular sail that is set on a boat or ship? Option A, spinnaker. Option B, mainsail. Option C, jib. Option D, genoa. The correct answer is option C. A jib is a triangular sail set in front of the mast to help with sailing. Next question is, which country was the first to grant independence to its African colonies in 1957? Option A, Egypt. Option B, Ghana. Option C, Kenya. Option D, Nigeria. The correct answer is option B, Ghana. Formerly the Gold Coast, became the first African country to gain independence from colonial rule in 1957. Next question is, which of the following is the tallest building in the world? Option A, Burj Khalifa. Option B, Shanghai Tower. Option C, Eiffel Tower. Option D, Taipei 101. The correct answer is option A, Burj Khalifa. The Burj Khalifa in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, stands as the tallest building in the world. Next question is, which country is known as the land of 1,000 lakes? Option A, Finland. Option B, Norway. Option C, Sweden. Option D, Canada. The correct answer is option A. Finland is known as the land of 1,000 lakes due to its large number of lakes, approximately 1,88,000. Last question is, which of the following is the longest river in Europe? Option A, Danube. Option B, Volga. Option C, Elbe. Option D, Thames. The correct answer is option B, Volga. The Volga is the longest river in Europe, flowing through Russia and emptying into the Caspian Sea. Now it's time for practice question. Which of the following elements is a noble gas? Option A, oxygen. Option B, nitrogen. Option C, argon. Or option D, hydrogen. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.